Knowledge is power, and when it's shared, it becomes a superpower. Sharing knowledge breaks down silos, sparks collaboration, and boosts productivity. By sharing what you know, you empower your colleagues to learn, grow, and create a culture of continuous improvement. And when they share knowledge and content with you, problems get solved faster and teams become unstoppable. It's also a secret weapon for your career. With First, you can create content in seconds in whichever format works best for you. Articles, audio, videos. First can do it all. By actively sharing your insights and expertise, you become a go-to teammate, a trusted resource for your colleagues, and build a reputation as a collaborative team player.